Hello viewers, welcome to my channel ABC Classes all about commerce. This is your coach Reba Das.
So, today my topic is what are the subject in commerce? Basically, in other stream like PCM or PCB arts, we already know there is physics, chemistry, maths, bio, etc. But for commerce, it is completely new. Students never study commerce before class 10th. In fact, I also never know about it. It takes 2 months to got what is going on. Actually, commerce is not a subject. It is stream of study with wide variety of subjects. So, let us discuss this first. What subjects are there in commerce? In class 11th, the main subjects are accountancy, business studies, economics, English, mathematics is optional, entrepreneurship is optional, IP, information practice, and PE, physical education. All these subjects are optional, and you can opt one or two optional subject as max, entrepreneur, IP, PE as per your choice. Accountancy. Accountancy deals with recording and keeping of books of account. Business deals with management of business. Economics deal with utilization of limited resources. English helps in improving language, grammars and vocab. Then mathematics, entrepreneurship provides structural knowledge of establishing own venture. IP provides virtual and technical knowledge, and P provides knowledge about development and care of body. Next, come to books. What books are to be referred for class 11th? Here, for accountancy, you can refer Financial Accounting Part 1 and 2 textbook for class 11th provided by NCERT. You can also refer T.S. Grewal Financial Accounting for reference Sultan Chand publication. Else Accountancy class 11th D.K. Goyal and all-in-one accountancy class 11 Arihant. You can refer any of the reference books, but NCERT is important because from the exam point of view NCERT is very important. You can't go to the exam without preparing with NCERT. Next, business studies. For business studies, textbook for class 11th NCERT, all-in-one business studies class 11th Arihant, business studies Poonam Gandhi for reference. It is a very good book, and for case study you can refer Bullseye Business Study and Mentors in Business Study by Alka Dhawan. Next, for economics, statics for economics, textbook for class 11th NCERT and Introduction to Microeconomics NCERT. Actually, economics is divided in two parts. First is statics for economy and second is Introduction to Microeconomy. Next, you can refer all-in-one economics class 11th Arihant, microeconomics and statics for economy VK Ohri and TR Jain for reference, or else microeconomics and statics for economics Sandeep Garg. Next, for English, Hornbill textbook by NCERT and all-in-one English core Arihant Expert or Arihant NCERT solution. For maths, you have to refer Mathematics NCERT textbook, Arihant NCERT solution and RD Sharma for reference. For entrepreneurship, you can refer NCERT entrepreneurship textbook for class 11th, all-in-one entrepreneurship Arihant, entrepreneurship Lalit Gulevan and Padma Nair. For IP, you can refer all-in-one information practice by Arihant, information practice Sumita Arora and information practice with Python by Preeti Arora. Next, for physical education, you can refer Saraswati Health and Physical Education class 11th, all-in-one physical education class 11th, Arihant. So, here is the list of subject of class 12. The subject which have you already studied in class 11th, you have to study in class 12th also, but in a different manner. Here subjects are same like accountancy, business, economics, English, mathematics, entrepreneurship, information practice and PE. For class 12th accountancy, you can refer Accountancy class 12th NCERT, Accountancy for Partnership by D.K. Goyal, Accountancy for NPO Non-Profit Organization by D.K. Goyal, Analysis of Financial Statement by D.K. Goyal and All-in-One Accountancy class 12th by Arihant. For business studies, you can refer Business Studies textbook for class 12 part 1 and part 2 by NCERT, all-in-one business studies class 12 by Arihant, business studies by Poonam Gandhi as a reference for case study against Bullseye and Mentors in Business Studies by Alka Dhawan. For economics, Introduction to Macroeconomics by NCERT, Indian Economic Development by NCERT. Here again economics is divided in two parts. First is Introduction to Macroeconomics and Indian Economic Development. For reference, you can refer All-in-One Economics class 12th by Arihant, Introduction to Macroeconomics by V.K. Ohri and T.R. Jain, and Indian Economic Development V.K. Ohri and T.R. Jain. Next, for English, you can refer Flamingo textbook by NCERT and All-in-One English Core class 12th Arihant. For mathematics, NCERT textbook All-in-One Mathematics class 12th by Arihant and R.D. Sharma for reference. For entrepreneurship, you can refer Entrepreneurship textbook for class 12 by NCERT, All-in-One Entrepreneurship by Arihant. For IP, you can refer All-in-One Information Practice by Arihant, Information Practice by Sumita Arora, Information Practice with Python by Preeti Arora. For physical education, NCERT, Health and Physical Education V.K. Sharma, All-in-One Physical Education class 12th by Arihant. See, you can opt any of the reference book. It is up to your choice. All books are very important from the exam point of view, but if you want to secure really very good marks, then you have to go through NCERT. But NCERT is not sufficient. You have to refer additional books for your preparation like accounts, economics, business studies, case studies, mathematics also.
Thanks for watching full video. Please show your love and support. Like, comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye and take care.